remembering when I was your own. I let you go, I let you fly. Why do I keep on asking why? I let you go, never found a way to keep. Somehow, more than a throw, came back. Close my eyes and dream of you, and I realize there's more to life than only bitterness and lies. I close my eyes. Oh, I give away my soul to hold you once again, and never let this promise end. I let you go. Why do I keep on asking why? I let you go now that I've found a way to keep hindi kita di kita pababayaan. This is trying to stay away. One time inside me, just one chaos. Message ko para kay Claire. Claire, sana kung nasaan ka man ngayon, sana maisip mo na lagi kang nasa puso namin. Na ano?
Katabi mo na kayo si Jesus.
Yeah. O ano, pero sana si Jesus katabi mo. Hindi yung kung sino-sino may bigote lang nakamukha ni Jesus ang katabi mo. Pero sana, Claire, ayan, tinitingnan namin picture mo ngayon. Look how seductive you are when you are healthy. Yeah. Diba? You look so cute. And yet, you look so sick.
Nakaka-outlet na ako.
But I just pray and wish na kung nasan ka man at kung ano man yung nararamdaman mo for the future,
Wala akong na-picture.
kung meron ka mang Daniel or Alvin, Jad, or Jimboy in the future, I don't care. But I care for this picture of yours. Look at you. You look so nice. Look at your hair. Look at your... Parang skunk. Diba yung skunk bro na kapag umuutot mabaho? Si Claire, madalas siya. You look so hot. Oh, look at your hair. Ang kinis ng kilikili mo. Wow. Look at you. Look at your hair. Look at Mape. Oh my gosh. Ang bibig. Nakakaw. Okay, so let's put another picture.
mo pang yung mga.
Ito yung mga araw na masaya ka pa.
Ang cute.
Eh, diba? Naman, hindi namin kayang i-measure kung gaano ka kasaya. Pero alam namin na sa peak na to masaya ka. Nevertheless, yeah. I hope you're happy.
Yes.
And come what may, she believes.
Yung mga ka-fresh is stay
Stay juicy.
stay good, stay fresh, stay juice.
Juicy. Sa pangkuha ng stock, mga kapatid.
Si Urchin.
Ito si Urchin. Natagpuan sa PUP. Kapag umuutot, mabaw, malakas. Yan. Kung titingnan natin kung anong parts ng body, kita-kita mo ang hair. Maganda tong chart para sa mga nursery. Pati yung patay na buhok mo, kitang-kita dito Uy. Claire, namimiss na kita. Miss na kita, Claire.
Katagpuan ng bangkay, ganito yung tsura.
Nawawala po siya. So if ever nakita niyo po siya around the neighborhood, please, pakihukay. Huli niya po suot itim. May bawon siyang red na t-shirt.
Hindi niya picture ng buhok niya.
Kapag hindi po ganyan, pero kumukha niya hindi siya yun.
May bigote ba siya?
Basta may palatandaan.
Patugtog tayo kasi nakaka-bore.
Panoorin na.
Why don't you look?
Hindi ko matay message kay Claire. Yung artist. Nasa kaman ngayon. Sige, ano ko na. Bye-bye.
Bye.
I love you.
I miss you, Claire.
I love you.